Train by Demarest, or something along that line. Train chugs, clickety-clack. Over the track, the girl in the yellow hat is reading a book. Engine up front, caboose in back. Yeah. Whoops. No, I didn't skip a page. Past farms. Whoa. Past farms. That's right. Here's the farm. And on the farm, the cows moo. Moo. 1, 2. Cows moo. Cows moo. Turn the page. Train. That's right. Train chugs. Yeah, train chugs. Okay, let's see it go over hills. Over hills. Over hills. Choo choo. Over the hill, down the hill, and back up the hill. Choo choo. Cross the bridge. Here's the bridge. River flows. Here's the river. And a little sailboat on the river. And here's the train tracks or the railroad tracks. Yeah. Through the tunnel. Ooh, he's going through a tunnel. The light glows. This is the light that glows. Yeah. Bells clang. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. This is the barrier, the arm of the barrier. Yeah. Whistle blasts. Choo, choo. He's pulling this cord and it makes the whistle go choo, choo. This is the engineer. Yeah, and he's pulling the cord. It goes choo, choo. Ah. Okay, stationeers. This is the train station. Yeah, so they're going to this train station. Home at last. There's the girl and she's going to see her mama. Home at last. Yay, the end. Done.